Hello everyone, I wanted to take this time to introduce you to myself and show you a little bit about the class setup and how to maneuver in the class. So this is Math 100. When you first log into Blackboard, you'll see the Math 100. You'll see probably the announcements page, and there will be some very important announcements, so make sure that you read through all of the announcements and familiarize yourself with everything that's there. Now on the Start Here page, there's some information about how the course is set up. Your syllabus is available there. And a little bit of information about myself and technical support. Now also in Blackboard, you have a course content page. Now within that course content, you will have some links. You can have some folders here for each chapter. And within those folders, you have links to MyLabs Plus. You also have links to video lectures. And what we'll be covering in each chapter. All of that information is listed there in the course content. Now, if you're like me, I use Google Chrome a lot. So when you use Google Chrome, or if you use Google Chrome and you're accessing MyLabs Plus through Blackboard, make sure you click on this link here and review this video on what happens when you use Google Chrome on how to access MyLabs Plus. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to right click on this link and open in a new tab. But when you do that in Google Chrome, you can't see it here, but there will be a shield up in your address bar. You'll click on the little shield, and then you'll click on Load Unsafe Scripts. Then it'll take you into MyLabs Plus. Now, I have posted just about all the information that you need in MyLabs Plus. So make sure that you use MyLabs Plus. Again, all the information that you need for the course, I have posted it in MyLabs Plus here so you can access it. The only two things that I would say to make sure you use Blackboard for is to check the announcements, and if you need to message me, make sure you click on course message and then create a message, and you can send me a personal message and I can reply to you from there. Now in MyLabs Plus, you have your course home here. You have a calendar. The calendar will have some due dates. As you can see here, you have some things that's due Friday. So it'll have your due dates there. If you just kind of scroll over, it'll show you exactly what's due on those dates. My upcoming assignments, or view all assignments, upcoming assignments, then you can click there and go straight to that particular assignment. Now, if you don't have your access code just yet, if you have not purchased your access code, then you can click on temporary access, and it will give you an access code that you can use that will be good for 21 days. And then after those 21 days, you'll either have to purchase an access code through the website, or if you have purchased a MyLabs Plus access code outside, then you can input that access code in after 21 days. It will ask for that. So the syllabus is here as well. Your grade book is here as well. So anytime you want to see your overall score, you can click on grade book, show overall score, and it will give you show you your overall score. The Multimedia Library, this is where you can find your textbook, you can find PowerPoint, you can find lectures that are provided through the textbook company. So you can find all of that information here in my Multimedia Library. Tools for success, just some orientation questions, your Math Lab assistance, how do I enter answers, so you can use all of that if you need to help you to prepare to do your work in MyLabs Plus. Now, I've broken this up by chapters, so you'll see chapter 2 here. You also have the links to the videos that have been created for you here. So this will cover all the content in chapter 2. You have a due homework link that you can just click on, and it'll take you directly to the homework for chapter 2, the lessons. 2.1, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7. And you have your quizzes and tests link. So your sample test, you see that you have 0 of infinity attempts. That means you can take this over and over and over and over. However, it is a part of your grade, so you want to do the best you can, and we do keep the highest grade that you make. Your test attempt, you can only take that one time. So make sure that you have completed the sample test enough times to where you're comfortable with the content before you take the actual test. Now, once you log into the test, you cannot log out. You have to take it in one sitting. Okay. All right, so you'll do the same thing for Chapter 3. You have videos, homework, quizzes, and tests. The study plan, that's just extra practice. So that's not something that you're graded on. It's just for extra practice. So the first thing that you need to do is to, we're not taking a syllabus quiz, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you get 2.1 completed. That way we can have that for attendance purposes. So make sure you go ahead and look at the 2.1 video and at least log in and begin lesson 2.1, so I will know that you have logged into the course and that you are attending the course. Okay? All right, I hope that helps you to get started. If you have any questions, please shoot me a message through course messages, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, thank you.